Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a highly requested video. I get this question all the time when I get my eyebrows done or when I take the effort to do them. So here you go. Here's a tutorial. I really don't use that much stuff. I use maybe 4 products. I use this, what is this, lash and brow comb. I use, see, I'm not even prepared. I use this pencil from NK Makeup Lip Pencil in the color Coffee. And I use this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And lastly, I just use like this dome type brush just to blend out my eyebrows. And that's all I do. So if you're interested in seeing how I do my eyebrows, keep on watching. First step I do is use the lash/brow comb just to shape my eyebrows into the shape that I want. Next, I'm using this NK lip pencil in the color Coffee to outline my eyebrow. I start at the bottom and I make a defined line at the bottom of my eyebrow and also a defined line at the top. And this is how I shape my eyebrow. And to fill in the brow, I'm using little strokes with the pencil to make it look like little hairs in the eyebrows. I don't know how to explain it, but that's what I envision when I do my eyebrows. Next, I just repeat the same process on my other eyebrow. I shape the eyebrow with the lash and brow tool. Then I use the NK lip pencil in the color Coffee, defining the underline of my eyebrow and also the top line of my eyebrow. And I fill in the brows using little strokes with the pencil. So it's an easy process. It can be time consuming if you're trying to get your eyebrows like super perfect, but once you get into the habit of doing it, it just comes naturally, so you can just knock your eyebrows out simply. Once you get the correct shape that you want, you can always do a little bit of chop-chops to make your eyebrows look like, what it is, cousins, not twins, sort of thing. So now I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I start always at the bottom. I like to do one stroke with the concealer because I feel it makes it look more defined. So you can see me do like one long stroke with the concealer just so I can define the shape of the eyebrow, and then I do the top. This is like a hack that I learned. I am always running out of concealer, so what I started to do is when the concealer starts to get a little gloopy, I kind of take the top of the concealer and dust off the excess concealer onto it, so my eyebrow highlight or the shape of it can be more defined. I feel like if you use excess amount of concealer, it's going to be so much to blend in. So I try to, just knock off the excess with the cap. I also like to conceal. We don't need any unibrows in the middle of our eyebrows. So I like to match up my eyebrows also in the middle with using the concealer. And again, if you find that you've overdone with the concealer, you can use your pencil again to just fill back in your eyebrows. Next, I'm using this dome brush that I got from Sonia Kasha at Target, and I'm just going to blend out that concealer. So first, I like to define the line again, and then I start doing little strokes towards my hairline to blend out the concealer. So first you go over the concealer with a long stroke, and then you brush out the concealer towards your hairline. to, you know, blend in the concealer with your skin. And in no way, I am not a makeup artist at all. This is just how I do my eyebrows. I just want to throw that disclaimer in here because I know a lot of people like to do their eyebrows differently, but honestly, this is the quickest, easiest way that I know how to do my eyebrows, and I just want to share this because I get this question so much. So, and after you're done blending for hours, this is what your eyebrows will look like. It's so simple and easy. It's not that intimidating after you get in the hang of it. So I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Yeah, this is how I don't know how to explain it. This is how I do my eyebrows. So guys, this is the finished product. I just finished my makeup off camera. So thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, please go down, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to let you guys know when I post more videos. This hair is actually from my collection. It's called Shop Chloe Elise collection. So I'm gonna put the link right here and also in the description bar so you all can check this out. I'm wearing the Onyx Straight bundles. I have in a 14-inch closure, 16, 18, and a 20-inch bundles. I colored this hair myself, just a little something for fall. I'm really into putting my hair behind my ears type of thing. So yes, thank you all so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye and God bless.